This beautiful 2-story Brentwood 2 floor plan features an impressive elevation with available covered porch, wood accents, and a stunning combination of brick and stone masonry that offers amazing curb appeal. As you make your way through the beautiful custom door to the foyer of this 5-bedroom, 3 and 1/2 bath Brentwood 2 floor plan, you'll find a formal living and dining room perfect for special family occasions. The country kitchen is a chef's dream, with stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner gas range, built-in double oven and microwave, and granite countertops. The spacious breakfast nook is bathed in lots of natural light and looks out into the backyard. The family room boasts impressive vaulted ceilings, a custom fireplace, and hardwood floors. The private study is tucked away behind the curved staircase and features built-in storage and a cozy window seat. Just around the corner is an upgraded powder bath with shower. The owner suite is loaded with custom features like a tray ceiling, a separate sitting area, and crown molding, to the luxurious master bath with split vanities, relaxing corner garden tub, and extended walk-in shower. Just up the curved staircase, you'll find a huge game room overlooking the family room and an available media room with built-in wet bar and 7.1 surround sound. The second floor also features 4 spacious secondary bedrooms and 2 full baths. The Brentwood 2 floor plan is also available with an extended covered patio with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Brentwood 2 plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you'll receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are so confident in our low rates, if we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.